guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tarangti Vidya and I hope you all are okay. तो आज मैंने सोचा कुछ पढ़ाई की बात कर लेते हैं. So today I'll be telling you all the books that you will be needing in first year if you are pursuing BVSC and AH degree. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. BVSC and AH is Bachelor of Veterinary Science and Animal Husbandry. It's a long 5.5 year course, and after you've completed the course, you'll be called a veterinary doctor. In first year, you have 3 subjects, that is veterinary anatomy, veterinary physiology, and LPM, which is livestock production and management. Coming to the first subject, which is one of the most important subjects of the whole course, that is veterinary anatomy. So I'll be telling you just one book which is like enough for your first year, that is Primary Veterinary Anatomy by R.K. Ghosh. It's a very good book and everything is written to the point in a very simple language, so you can definitely check that out. Second one is veterinary physiology. For physiology, I'll suggest you go through your professor's notes first. That is, I think, the most important thing you can do. And then once you are done with it, then you can definitely check the reference book. The first one is Duke's Physiology of Domestic Animals, and the second one is Guyton and Hall Textbook of Medical Physiology. So I think both of the books are very good, but if you are taking the books, if you are buying the books, then I'll definitely suggest you to go buy the Duke's Physiology of Domestic Animal. It is a very good book, and again everything is written to the point and in a simple language. I would say not very simple, but in like a simple language you can easily understand that. And yes, you can definitely check that out. Also, I'll be linking the books. You can definitely buy the books offline, or you can definitely buy the books from Amazon and even Flipkart. So I'll link that in the description box. Do check that out once you are done with the video. And also I will also link the websites from where you can download the soft copies of it. If you don't have the money to buy the hard copy, I will definitely suggest you to go buy the hard copy, because that is going to benefit you in real. But for like time being, you can definitely download the soft copy and study. The next is LPM, Livestock Production and Management. कहने को इट्स अ इजी सब्जेक्ट, बट इसमें आपको बहुत ज्यादा याद करना पड़ता है. लाइक आप और सब में जैसे समझना ज्यादा जरूरी है, इसमें याद करना ज्यादा जरूरी है. वो थोड़ा टाइम्स पे इट कैन बिकम डिफिकल्ट, बट इट्स स्टिल अ इंटरेस्टिंग सब्जेक्ट फॉर मी. एंड उसके लिए आई सजेस्ट यू 2 books, LPM by Thomas and Shastri, and the other book is a textbook of Animal Husbandry by G.C. Banerjee. So if you are planning to buy a book, then definitely I'll suggest you to go buy Thomas and Shastri, because थोड़ी मोटी book है, but everything is written in like series form and everything is written in a simple language, I would say, and आप easily आप समझ लोगे चीजों को. But for G.C. Banerjee, it's not a very easy book in language form. Like इसकी language बहुत ज्यादा easy नहीं है, थोड़ी एवरेज या इंटरमीडिएट लेवल की लैंग्वेज है, एंड इजी लैंग्वेज नहीं मैं कहूंगी. तो मैंने ऑफकोर्स मैंने पूरे अच्छे से डिटेल में नहीं पढ़ी है, बट जो भी मैंने उसका ओवरव्यू देखा है, इट्स अ टफ बुक. तो डू चेक थॉमस एंड शास्त्री फॉर फर्स्ट ईयर. That's about it for today's video. I hope you found the video informative and थोड़ी बहुत आपकी हेल्प हो गई होगी. ऑफ कोर्स आप अपने प्रोफेसर्स के पहले उनकी एडवाइस को कंसिडर करो एंड देन कम टू द वीडियो. बट मैंने सिर्फ एक अपना सजेशन दिया है. व्हाट आई फाउंड हेल्पफुल माइट बी हेल्पफुल टू यू एज वेल. एंड या कोई भी क्वेरी हो, यू कैन डेफिनेटली कॉमेंट डाउन बिलो. आई एम गोइंग टू आंसर ईच वन ऑफ यू. एंड या thank you, and I'll see you next time. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.